Hello and welcome back to Mini Traders, where we're continuing our comprehensive algo trading course. In our previous video, we talked about data types in Python, and today we are going to dive deeper into one of those data types, numbers. In Python, there are three main types of numbers: int, float, and complex. Integers are whole numbers with no decimal point, while floats are numbers with a decimal point. Complex numbers are made up of a real part and an imaginary part and are not commonly used in algo trading. So we'll be focusing on ints and floats in this video. Let's take a look at some examples of how to use ints and floats in Python. Here are examples of assigning integers to variables and printing them out along with their types. And here's an example of assigning a float and doing the same. You can also use scientific notation to represent large or small numbers using the letter E. Sometimes you may need to convert a number from one type to another. For example, you might want to convert a float into an int, or vice versa. You can do this using functions like int and float. This converts the integer 42 to a float 42.0. So that's a brief overview of numbers in Python. We've covered how to assign them to variables, how to use scientific notation, and how to convert between different types. Now it's time to practice what you've learned. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more comprehensive algo trading course videos, and we'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching, have a good time, and bye.